So we are just heading back up the northern part of Brittany, back towards Larve, and we found a fantastic campsite that's on a beautiful part of the coast. And the campsite is right on the coastal path. You literally walk outside the camp gates and you're on the coastal path. And this is once again the GR34 Grand Randonnée. Or Randonneur.
Just another 100 miles further on.
Yeah, just another 100 miles further on. Look at that! Doesn't that look idyllic in the sunshine? Oh, it makes me want to go and swim in there now, Bernie. That's definitely swimmable. Oh, I've got to go in there. So it is around about 7 p.m. and the temperature's just cooled down enough for us to go and have a nice evening stroll. Because you don't have to go far from the campsite to see some lovely things, by the looks of it. Look at that. Beautiful. That's pretty craggy. This is a very good path. It's very well marked. Huh?
That's not good. It might be like undercut.
Okay.
Maybe.
We'll stay away from it then.
Yeah.
Stay away from the edge.
Yeah, I can't see what there is sport in it, so it may not be.
I know there's little steps that go down to that cove. This is fabulous. Sun's starting to get lower now. We won't be walking much tonight. This is just a little bit of a taster. And what we'll probably do is we will come back and do a bit more walking. Along this path. Won't we, Bernard? We will return. Face. Come on, we'll just do this little bit here and then we'll turn back. We're not turning it into a monster hike tonight. I must say it is a very good path. Oh, that's just stunningly gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that. Oh.
Steps down, is it?
Ah, that's the steps down to the bay, to the beach. Look.
Because that path I was up was to the houses.
Yeah. And there is a little path that goes down to the little bay. There we are.
We're going down there.
What, down to the bay?
Yeah.
We could do, and then that could be us for tonight. Yeah, come on then. Go on, let's go and have a little sit down in the bay.
You go behind me.
Okay. And that'll be a nice finish off to the evening. Sit on the beach for a minute. Oh, good steps too. This is why we love Brittany. Especially the Cote D'Armour. You just can't go wrong on this coast, no matter where you go. Well, it does get a bit steep here, so just watch your feet. Whee! Get down to the smaller pebbly stones. Fabulous. It's actually quite deceptive because underneath the stones it's actually quite soft. Hey Betty! It's a rock. It's not a monolith. It's not a monolith. There goes both in. Back to the van. Let's go. Easy does it. It's not easy on these pebbles. Bye bye, pretty Brittany Beach. Come in. Birdie, I can see Ruby behind your head. She is. So you don't have to go far to find nice things to look at. Perfect. And this is our lovely spot on the campsite. Hello, Bernard. And from our lovely spot, we get a lovely view of the sea. Gorgeous. And there's Bernie's head. You're right, love. You're tired?
Get old.
Get old. Yeah, we both are.